this is Hi guys, so in today's video I wanted to do a quick Amazon favorite. So since Black Friday is coming up and I know a lot of people are going to be shopping for gift items and also for household stuff because you can get a huge sale on Black Friday, I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite things on Amazon. I'm also going to link it in my Amazon storefront so it's easier to access. But I'm going to start with the stuff right in front of me. And this is my water bottle. This is a 1 gallon water bottle and it has a timer on it. So it goes from 7 a.m. all the way to 9 p.m. When I'm hitting the gym, I like to drink a lot of water because I take pre-workout. And I like to drink at least half of this gallon. I really need to start drinking the whole thing, but that is way better than what I used to drink because I barely, when I say barely, I mean barely used to drink water. So this is my gym water bottle and I love it, and it normally lasts me through the whole day. So love this for me. I hate the gym water. It tastes like piss. So that's why I got a water bottle so I can bring my own water to the gym. So let's get into nails. I've been doing a lot of press-on nails lately. Quick, easy, and simple. And because I'm going to the gym, I don't like to wear nails now. So if I have content to do or anything like that, I like to make sure that my hands are done. So I've been going to press on, and the nail glue that I've been using is the Nail Bond, and this is from Amazon. This have a like 4.9, almost 5 stars on Amazon, and which is why I bought it. And this is also a brush on nail glue. So this allows you to know and control how much glue you're putting on your nails, which is something I love a lot. And this is the press-ons that I'm wearing right now. I'll show a close-up over here somewhere of them. I've had them on for 4 days. I'm trying to keep them on for 7 days to see how long they will last, or if they will last 7 days, because I just came up with a new, I seen a technique on TikTok and I tried it and it worked. So if all goes well, I'll probably post a tutorial. So this is the nails that I got from Amazon. I think these are about 500. I am a simple girl, so when I normally get my nails, I normally get simple design, simple nails. So I got me some regular pink press-on nails that I can just put on and go, which is something I love, and they look absolutely amazing. So the next thing I want to talk about is the Amelie No Wipe Top Coat. This is amazing. I have the base and top coat because it came in a pack, but the top coat is what I really love. This, once you put it under a UV light, it doesn't get sticky, it lasts, it makes your nails look amazing, and it isn't thick. One thing I realized with a lot of no wipe top coats is that they can be thick. This one is perfect. So if you're looking for a gloss finish top coat, this is going to be your best friend. Absolutely love it. I don't know if I want to recommend the base coat because the base coat is kind of thick and sometimes hard to deal with for me personally, but if you like a thicker base coat, then this brand has a nice one. And the next thing I wanted to mention as far as nails is concerned is is the Gelin nail polish. I've had these nail polish for years, and this is $3.49, and this lasts forever. And you see how tiny this bottle is? I've had this for years. I think I've had this for about 2 or 3 years. This is absolutely my favorite color. The pink looked absolutely amazing on my skin tone. I love this gel color. I got it in a pack. I think it comes with 5 or 6, but $3.49 from Gelin is my favorite color of them all. And I normally wear this a lot on my toes. So the next thing I want to talk about is kind of like skincare, oral care. So I got this electric toothbrush. I went to the dentist recently, and my dentist and the dentist assistant told me that I need to switch out my manual toothbrush for an electronic toothbrush because technology has improved and it cleans at your teeth way better. And I got this for $18.99 on Amazon. I think it comes with 4 or 5 different heads, so you're literally good with a toothbrush for about a whole year. And this is rechargeable. This also have different speeds and different levels is what I'm trying to say. This also have different levels of where you're brushing your teeth and which teeth you want to clean. Is super duper specific, and I absolutely love this toothbrush. I'm an adult, and now is when I got a cavity. So obviously I have not been taking care of my teeth properly. So I upgraded my manual to this electric. It's super affordable and it's super duper good. And I think it is a steal. So, and it's the fill-in electric toothbrush. Next kind of skincare thing I want to talk about is this Clean Skin Club. Normally I will just use like a towel to wipe my face, but I have sensitive and acne prone skin, and towels normally have a lot of bacteria and contain a lot of bacteria, especially if you're using that towel multiple times a day or multiple days in a row. It has a lot of bacteria. So I got these for when I wash my face, and these are nice and thick. Let me take one out and show you guys. I don't want to waste them. These are nice and thick material, and it's absolutely amazing. It's perfect if you have sensitive or acne prone skin. It's going to get you together, so you don't have to keep using like a rag or a towel on your face, because that causes more acne and more problems with your skin than anything else. Absolutely love. And then the next thing I want to talk about is these organizers that I have in the bathroom. They look absolutely amazing, and the one that really got me was this one right here. This one holds your cotton pads, and I love the cut. I love the shape. It makes everything so clean and precise looking. Amazing. And then I have it in this tray, and most of the trays that I get are from Amazon. I find that they are cheaper than in store, because I go to Home Goods and the other stores, and they're a lot more expensive in store. So I like to get them from Amazon. If you're in the company of getting a tray, definitely check Amazon. This one is super pretty and luxe. It is acrylic, and it also has a mirror at the bottom. Super nice. And I have other trays sprinkled around the household, so that's where I got them from, if you guys were wondering. This is a syrup dispenser, but I put honey in here, so all you have to do is take it out, squeeze out your honey, and you are good. I feel like this is amazing, especially if you're a tea person and you use honey a lot, or if you're a syrup person and you love pancakes. This is going to be perfect for you. So this little elephant is also from Amazon, and this little vase is from Amazon. I find that finding little like knickknacks to put around your house as far as decorations or decorative items is concerned, Amazon is your way to go, because you can find them at a really discounted price if you look good enough. Don't click on the first ones that you see, continue looking. This is an elephant. As you guys know, I love elephants. And then this is a vase that is a heart shape, and I love these two items. You can put them wherever you want, and they're going to look absolutely amazing, and I'll link these for you too. So this is the pillow and a pillow cover are from Amazon. I find that they're absolutely amazing. And they're super soft and luxe. I've had this same pillow cover for about 2 years now, and it has held up, washes and all of that. It is amazing. So if you want pillow covers or accent pillows or anything like that, Amazon is usually the way to go, because you can get sets of 2 or sets of 4, and you can match your decor up amazingly. So, and this is like a nice velvet rustic orange color. It's super cute, super amazing. The next thing I want to talk about is throw blankets. In the house that I previously lived in, or just in general, I love thrown blankets. You'll see them thrown all over. Not because I don't like being cold, so I'll keep one on the bed if I'm just laying or lounging in the bed, or I'll just keep one laying around the couch area, so if anybody is cold or want to cover up a bit, they can use it. So I love throw blankets, and on Amazon you can get any color underneath the sun, and they are super affordable. They're literally under $15, a lot of them. If you want the more luxe or bigger size throw blankets, they definitely get a little bit more expensive, but I find that Amazon is the way to go as far as color is concerned, and definitely options and price point. So with that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing Black Friday shopping. I hope you guys get everything that you want and you had a great shopping experience. And if you're looking for stuff on Amazon, I hope this was helpful, and I'll link everything in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section. And some of the links may be affiliate links, and I may get some coinage from it. Your girl is going to need all her coins. So support your girl. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Deuces.